15 years ago, I landed in Canada with a version for a better life. And while that part is true, what people don't always talk about is everything in between: the good, the bad, and the ugly. the adjusting, the adjusting to a new culture, a new norm, a new value, the climate change, learning a new environment, trying to find your place, to fit in to a new country, a new culture, while still holding on to who you are, wherever you're from. There were moments I questioned myself, wondered if I made the right decision. Moments where I just had to keep going, even though the tears keep running down my eyes. Even when I felt unsure, because starting over is not as easy as it looks from the outside. But over time, something shifts. You start to grow into it, into this routine, new routine of life, this new lifestyle. You learn more about yourself in a different way. You become stronger, you become more independent, more grounded in who you really are. And you realize you didn't lose yourself really. You were becoming a new version of you. And now, 15 years later, I'm still evolving and I'm still learning and I'm still becoming. But one thing I know for sure, I'm proud of how far I've come. And if you are an immigrant woman like myself who have packed up your belongings from your home country to hit that restart button, to rebuild and start a new life all over again, and to reset, you need to be proud of yourself also. And you need to give yourself a pat on the back, because you know what? You are a brave woman. You are a resilient woman. And you are unstoppable. So keep going. The road might not be easy. And if you are new on this journey of immigrating, thinking about moving, just landed in a new country, maybe it's not Canada, but you're restarting your life, just know that this is a journey. And this journey will not be easy. You will be lost in the valley of darkness. And then you will be sitting at the eating table, looking back at how far you have come, looking back on all that you have endured. So, sis, keep going, keep showing up.